Don't lose those balls.
Oh, hey dude, can I see your hat? Bro, I'm empty with oh my gosh! I'm going all night like this! That's great. That's a good look for you, dude. What am I gonna do with all this icing? I'm gonna eat it. I fell? Okay.
How do you feel right now?
Exhilarated. That was...
I just didn't even see it!
There's Olivia's reaction.
That was intense.
Oh, Olivia, how are you feeling right now?
I was in a really great conversation and I looked over and he was already iced. Ew, it's coming out of his nose. Is that? No, it's just on my lip.
I'm gonna eat before I wash this up.
And there she is. She's so responsible for it. I need to get this off the ground.